we're gonna be checking out Zhoushen. You guys, this song, it is actually mind-blowing. The sound is something else. You guys, Zhoushen is actually one of my favorite because this guy is a music star. Yo, I understand. I know where you're going to, but calm down. I'm gonna tell you. He's actually a music star, and I am definitely wowed anytime he's singing, because it sounds so magical. So if you just see me for the first time, this is giving me goosebumps because this sound is something that I have really waiting for because I saw the song, I was recommended to it, and I wanted to listen to it. Song like, yo, oh my god, I'm sweating. What? This is absolutely beautiful. This is interesting. God. 是贪恋。 You guys, this is absolutely amazing. I'm really wowed. I'm shocked. Like, you guys, I told you, Zhoushen is one of my best singer because you guys, he's just something else. He's just too good. He's just too good. So I was recommended to on this video, and we are doing it. Okay. Anyway, guys, what do you guys think about the song? What do you guys think about Zhoushen? For me, I know he's a music star. I know he's a guru. I know he's the god. Like, guys, I'm so excited. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.